Katrina Hofstetter from Cornerstone Legal is joining us in studio once again. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay, estate planning, it's so important to do. It's an important process, and you don't just set it up and then forget about it once you do it, right? You got to go back and revisit it. Talk about some of those common steps that you got to put after you put that estate plan in place right away.
Yeah, there usually are. So depending on the type of estate planning you're doing, if you're doing trust planning, the key to that is to get your assets in that trust. So there's a lot of steps that come with that. And that's usually going to involve beneficiary designations, maybe some deeds. And your attorney might do that for you or they might not. So there could be steps that are related to that asset change process that need to be done. That's really crucial. And then there's also usually acceptances that are part of the documents. Okay. Usually the powers of attorney have to be signed by the people. And that's going to be really important to do. And it's usually going to be done after you've signed everything.
So you've talked about some of the steps. Now, are there steps that aren't necessary? You know, you don't need them, but there is a benefit to them?
Absolutely. So depending on how in-depth you go with the documents when you sit down with your drafting attorney, you probably need to read the documents again because it's a lot. It's a lot of legalese. There might be informational documents. So I always recommend that you go back and read through. And that can be helpful to maybe find a typo too. You could have a wrong middle initial. You want to get that fixed right away. And then I also recommend giving copies of certain documents to maybe your bank or your doctor.
Oh.
So that would be like your healthcare power of attorney. Give a copy to your doctor just so that it's on hand. So that's a really good follow-up step.
Okay. I didn't even think of that. I'm thinking all those things that we haven't done and need to do. I'm like, okay, did the estate plan, all done. But no, and you should revisit it too.
Yes.
We can talk more about that.
Yep.
What are some ways to supplement that legal planning, those documents, with personal wishes?
I always encourage this, but it doesn't always get done. There are a ton of legal documents, but they don't really convey what you feel about different things. So healthcare wishes supplements your healthcare power of attorney. If you've got little kids, you might want to have instructions for the guardian. So there's a lot of ways to just put things in writing that will really help supplement the legal documents.
Yeah, because people don't really know what you want once you're
don't.
gone and can't ask you.
Yep.
A lot of people might be worried about like, oh, this is going to cost me so much money. What would you say to somebody like that?
Well, I mean, it's kind of relative to the type or quality of work that you're getting done. It's important to do your research and know, am I getting a really simple plan or a more robust, complex plan? We personally do flat rate pricing for all of our plans, and it's right on our website. So I think it's important to compare.
Cornerstone Legal, PLLC.com. Go there, find out. Thank you.
Thank you.